mini events, the Real Thanksgiving.
We're just about ready to get started, so we thank you for being patient with us for this time. Right now we're going to have libations. We have Mama Geechee who will come up, and then we'll start the program. Excuse me, my name is Shabazz. This is my wife, Ayako Shabazz. Thank you for coming and being a part of the program as well. And we look forward to you coming out and being part of our future programs. Good, thanks. Mama Geechee. Thank you.
Hotep, everyone. Peace and blessings. I wish you the very best. Today we are here at this celebration of a real Thanksgiving. A real Thanksgiving that has to deal with giving first the Creator, for whatever your persuasion is, the first order of love. Giving Him praises and thanks for allowing us to be here. And we're going to start our libation today. And we're going to honor all of those, for those who don't know about what a libation is, who have gone before us, our ancestors, to allow them to bless this event to the highest heights so we can be able to come out of here feeling rejuvenated and charged with a divine light and love. So we're going to start off with asking individuals in the audience to be able to call out names, okay, of people who have gone over, who passed over. They're still with us in the spirit, but they're no longer with us in the physical. But we love them and they can work with us, and we want them to be able to bless this event. Okay, so that is what a libation is. I have water, and water is the essence of life. We can live without food, but we can't live without water. Water is the essence of everything that exists from our bodies to the whole universe. And we have the essence of water. And we also have the essence of a plant, which is behind me. This plant is the essence of creation. That's what God did. He created the heavens and the earth. And this is the creation. And it also represents prosperity, health, wealth, so that we can be able to go to our highest heights and be able to assume the post as being kings and queens in our kingdomship. All right? So we're going to do our libation, and we're going to ask you to call out the names. I'm going to first start with from the Gullah Geechee Nation. We're going to first start off with two individuals who made an impact in our civilization here, and it made an impact in the nation of the Gullah Geechee Nation. And the names are Garrison Frazier, and we're going to say, when I say the name, you say a name, you'll say, bless this event. Garrison Frazier, bless this event. Tunis Campbell, bless this event.
It's indeed an honor and a pleasure for us to be here in honor of the real Thanksgiving, because that's what we need as a people. We need to really be able to understand who we are and where we come from and what we do. And that's what we do at Universal African Dance and Drum Ensemble. We teach our young people that if you don't know where you come from, there is no way you can know where you're going. So in that light of that, we teach them through the performing arts, which they enjoy doing it. And at the same time, it is who we are. It's our culture. No matter what race, creed, or color you are, we all have a culture. And we should not be afraid to celebrate our culture. It is who we are. So on behalf of my husband, Brother Robert Dickerson, and myself, Wanda Dickerson, we are the founders and the directors of the Universal
and I know you probably heard about it as we've been putting it on Facebook and sending emails. First of all, this young sister is a poet. She's an activist. She's been seen on Death, Poetry Jam. She's been featured, actually, she's on Public Enemy's, one of their albums. She's a college, actually a freshman in college. You ready for the age? She's 13 years old. Homeschool student. We're going to bring up and let's give a warm, warm welcome to Autumn Ashanti.
Peace, everyone. Before I speak, I'd like the elders' permission to speak. Thank you. I want to let you all know it's an honor to be here. Actually, this is the second time this year I've been in this building after the Locks Conference last month, so it's really great to be here among the family. And thank you all for coming out on this beautiful Saturday.